Did you receive a temporary exception and comments from your last submission to your Paramed account? If so, please sign in to your Paramed Placement Pass account. Go to georgebrowncollege.placementpass.ca. Click on Sign In, enter your student ID number and password, and click on Submit, and look for your status report. Once you click the status report, under the clearance status section, check for a temporary exception for a specific requirement, the expiration date, and the comment from the nurse. Temporary exception means that you have an outstanding booster shot or a repeat blood test report to determine if your last dose developed immunity either for MMR, varicella, and hepatitis B. If you see a temporary exception to your account, please book an appointment with your family doctor and bring them your old health form documents and also the status report that you received from Paramed that has the specific requirement that needs to be completed prior to your next submission to Paramed. Also, please check for any temporary exception for non-medical certificates that has an expiration date. Temporary exception has an expiry date. Please make sure that you submit your updated health form documents prior to the Paramed submission deadline. If you fail to do so, you will not be cleared by Paramed for your upcoming semester or the next academic year. You will pay an initial submission fee when you submit and upload updates for your temporary exemption. Please note that if you do not receive a clearance for your upcoming semester or academic year, it will negatively impact your eligibility for clinical or field practice in the program. Please contact us and we'll be happy to help you double check over your forms before you finalize your submission to the Paramed portal.